Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Peacock on your smart projector and link it to your account, follow these step-by-step instructions for seamless streaming. Step 1, turn on your smart projector and access its App Store or streaming platform menu. Step 2, search for the Peacock TV app in the available apps section. Step 3, download and install the Peacock app on your smart projector. Step 4, open the Peacock app after installation. An activation code will be displayed on your projector screen. Step 5, using a computer or mobile device, open a browser and visit peacocktv.com. Activate. Step 6, log in with your Peacock account credentials. If you don't have an account, create one at this stage. Step 7, enter the activation code shown on your projector screen into the designated field on the website. Step 8, click Activate or Continue to link your device. Return to your smart projector and the Peacock app will refresh automatically, providing access to all available content including originals, movies, and live sports. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.